Hi viewers, today in this session we are going to discuss a sensational judgment given by Telangana High Court regarding the capital punishment on accused against the rape case of 5 years child. So this judgment is delivered on 31st July 2024. This is the first judgment in Telugu states like Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. That is that High Court has upheld the capital punishment. That is the